Keheng Unit Technology. Today, I will introduce you our home energy storage system. This is the inverter. The inverter model we can provide is 3 kW, 5 kW, 8 kW, and 10 kWh. Through the inverter, you also can download the mobile app from the Google Play. You can monitor the whole system from the mobile phone. You can get how many solar panels generated and how many power the node consumed. Also, you can get all the information of the power or the battery details. Okay. Next we see the power. We have two models. One is 5 kWh and another is 10 kWh. The parallel connection can be 16 unit parallel connection, and you can now from the interface there are LCD display, and you can get all of the information from the LCD display, such as the battery voltage, battery capacity, battery temperature, and SOC. All of this you can get from the LCD display. Also, there are ports in the side of the power. This is the general breaker, and this is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. This part A, part B is the communication protocol between the different power. If you connect 2 or 3 power, you can use the part A or the part B. And this is the CAN port and RS485 port. This is the connect the power with the inverter. And this is the ADR, it is the ID of the every power. Reset button, you can use a needle to reset the power. This is the LCD of the power, and you can get the BMS status and the parameter setting and the system setting. And you can get all the information from the LCD display, such as this is the voltage of the power, this is the current, this is the current of the power, and the temperature of every cell. And the cell voltage for every cell. Okay, of this information. Okay, all of the introduction are provided here. So for the more details, please contact with us through email, WeChat, or mobile phone. See you next time. Bye bye.